Hello and Namaste everyone. I am Avinash Kumar. Welcome back to AsanaX. In this video, we will learn about Purna Bhujangasana step by step. Before we start, avoid this pose if you have severe back pain, wrist or shoulder injury, hernia or recent abdominal surgery, pregnancy. Always practice after a proper warm-up. Step 1. Lie on your stomach. Keep your legs together and place your palms beside your chest. Step 2. Inhale and slowly lift your head, chest and upper abdomen. Straighten your arms comfortably while keeping your shoulders relaxed. Step 3. Gently bend your knees. If your flexibility allows, take your feet towards your head. Look upward and breathe normally. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Step 4. Exhale and slowly lower your body. Relax in Makarasana or Shashankasana. Avoid these common mistakes: forcing the back bend, shrugging the shoulders, locking the elbows aggressively, holding the breath, lifting too high without adequate flexibility. Regular practice of Purna Bhujangasana can improve spinal flexibility, strengthens the back, shoulders and arms, open the chest and improve breathing, stretch the abdomen and hip flexor, help improve posture and body awareness. So that's how you practice Purna Bhujangasana correctly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Also, if you want to learn Surya Namaskar, then please visit here. In next video, we will learn about Garudasana. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.